There's a place where the boat leaves from. It takes away all of your big problems. You got worries, you could drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where the boat leaves from. Take 1 part sand, 1 part sea, and 1 part shade of a 9-nut tree. And the drinks are cold and the reggae is hot.
Hey Shucker fans, Steve McNelly here to bring you another edition of This Week on the Bay. The Bay Area Shuckers are proud to announce the hiring of new assistant coach Gregory Purnell. Purnell's coaching career in the prep ranks began in 2000, where he served as head JV girls basketball coach for River Hill High School. For the 2004-2005 season, he moved up in the ranks and became an assistant varsity coach for the Hawks. He held that position through the 2005-2006 season when the Hawks won the Maryland 3A state championship. From 2007 through 2009, he served as the head middle school coach for Chesapeake Science Point Charter School. Purnell is the current JV head boys basketball coach and varsity assistant coach for Archbishop Spalding. The Bay Area Shuckers are proud to announce the hiring of Amanda Houck to the front office. Houck brings a practical application of sports management, having worked since 2007 at the Piney Orchard Ice Arena in Odenton, Maryland. From 2009 to March 2011, she worked for the Newman University Athletic Department as a sports information and athletic department intern. During that time, she worked operations, promotions, and statistics. Houck is also an active coach, serving as the head coach for Navy Youth Hockey Under-19 Girls, the assistant coach for the Kent Island High School Ice Hockey Team, and the goalie coach for the Queen Anne's County High School Ice Hockey Team. The Bay Area Shuckers are also proud to announce their new dance team coordinator, Megan Alaconis. A graduate of Long Reach High School of Columbia, Maryland, Megan is currently working toward a Bachelor of Arts degree in dance education from the University of Maryland, Baltimore County. As a dancer, she was part of the Backstage Dance Studio competitive team from 1997 to 2008. And also performed in the National Ballet Company's Nutcracker in December 2005. She was a background dancer for the movie Step Up 2, The Streets. While at UMBC, she has served as a dance team captain since 2008 and has studied ballet, hip-hop, and modern dance. As a dance instructor at the Backstage Dance Studio, she has taught ballet, hip-hop, jazz, lyrical, modern, and tap for numerous summer camps. Do you think you have what it takes to play professional basketball? Well, the Bay Area Shuckers are giving you the chance to prove yourself when they hold open tryouts. The tryouts will be held on Saturday, July 30th from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. The workout will be held at the Kilby Center on the upper campus of Annapolis Area Christian School. Select players will be invited for a second tryout for no additional cost. All participants will receive a Bay Area Shuckers tryout t-shirt. For more information, visit our website at www.bayareashuckers.com. More news to come in the upcoming weeks. Until then, this has been Steve McNelly, Shuckers Up.